This is Samir Qureshi. In previous class, you solve practice set 2. Now, we will study the next point is to construct a triangle given two sides and angle included by them. So, look at this example. This is a rough figure. The example is draw triangle PQR like this. It is our triangle PQR such that length PQ is equal to 5.5 centimeter. This is our length. Draw the length of 5.5 cm. Measurement angle P is equal to 50 degree. The measurement angle P is equal to 50 degree. This is a P, but it is a 60 degree like this. Okay. Angle PR is equal to 5 cm. It is angle PR is equal to 5 cm. Okay. This is rough figure. A rough figure has been drawn showing the given information angle P is an acute angle. Which angle? Acute angle. Because less than 90 degree it is a acute angle. So, and that is shown in the rough figure 2. Now, we will driving this figure like this. It is a drawn by. Step 1. According to the rough figure, segment PQ forms the base of length 5.5 centimeter. This is our rough figure and this is actual figure. Okay. You can draw this figure like this or also like this. Okay. Now we will see how to draw this figure. Okay. Let us look. This is our first question. Draw triangle PQR such that length PR 5.5 cm. Measurement of angle P is equal to 50 degree and length PR is equal to 5 cm. Okay, now we will drawing a length. Draw a straight line of 5.5 centimeter. Okay, this is length 5.5 centimeter and give it name length PQ. Length PQ. And then measurement of angle P is equal to 50 degrees. So it is our P. Okay. Let's measure the anglement of 50 degree. Using this protractor, we will get our measurement. Match the point of this line. Now measure the anti-clockwise direction. This is our 50 degree angle. This is our 50 degree angle. Measure this angle on below side and anti-clockwise direction. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. It is here we get our 50 degree angle. And after that, let's connect this point to P point. Okay, we will connecting. This is our angle P is 50 degree angle, and the last is angle PR is 5 cm. Okay, we will measuring this angle PR using ruler and compass. We will measuring the angle PR is equal to 5 cm. Okay, let's measure angle 5 centimeter. So this is our angle 5 centimeter. Okay, look at here. This is our angle 5 centimeter. Okay, let's take a needle on point P and make a arc here. This is our point R. This is our point R. Give it name R. And the size is PR is 5 centimeter. Now join these two lines. Okay, this is our triangle PQR. I hope you understand. Now solve this practice set 3. Draw triangles with the measures given below. The first question is, in triangle MAT, length M is equal to 5.2 cm. Measurement angle of A is equal to 80-degree angle. Length AT of is equal to 6 cm. So first we have to draw a straight line using 6 cm, or you can use 5.2 cm, any size. Okay. Now let's draw a straight line here. Draw a triangle with the measure given below. In triangle MAT, length MA is equal to 5.2 cm, measurement angle of 80 degree, and length of AT is equal to 6 cm. Okay. Draw a straight line of 6 centimeter and give it name length AT. Length AT is equal to 6 centimeter. So here length AT is 60 centimeter. Now measurement of angle A is equal to 80-degree angle. We will measuring the measurement of angle. Match this point of this protractor and the straight lines. Okay. And take a measure 80-degree angle on at a anti-clockwise direction like this. आपल्याला जे मेजर करायचं आहे ना, तर खालच्या नंबरचा वापर करून या साईडने आपल्याला काउंट करायचं आहे. जर या साईडला जर असेल पॉईंट, मग वरच्या नंबरचा वापर करून या साईडने करायचं. ओके. सो वी विल measuring this number anti-clockwise direction. So it is a 80-degree angle. This is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and 80. Okay, this is our 80-degree angle. Okay. Now we will joining this point to angle here. Okay. This is our measurement of angle A is equal to 80 degree. Okay. Now length MA is equal to 5.2 centimeter. Okay, let's measure the MA length. Using compass and ruler, we will measuring this length. Okay. 5.2 centimeter. Okay, let's measure. It is our 5.1 and 2 centimeter. No. This is our 5.2 centimeter. Let's make a arc. Take a needle point A and make a arc here. This is our 5.2 centimeter and join point M and point T. This is our point M. Let's join these 2 points. So this is our triangle MAT. I hope you understand it. Now let's look another example. The next question is, in triangle FUN, length FU is equal to 5 centimeter, length UN is equal to 4.6 centimeter, and measurement angle of U is equal to 110 degree. So first we have to draw a straight line using this number, this length, or also this length. You can use any length. Okay, so now draw a straight line. Draw a straight line and give it name. It is a 5 centimeter, and the first point is F and U. Okay, let's measure angle U 110 degree. So we have to measure angle U. So where is the angle? This is the U point. So let's, using a protractor, match the center of protractor and point of the U. Okay. Now let measure this angle on a clockwise direction like this. So it is a 0, 10, 12, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, so on. It is 110 degree angle. It is 110 degree angle. Now join this point to angle, point U. This is our measurement of angle 110 degree. Okay, now let's measure angle UN 4.6 cm. Angle UN 4.6 cm. Using this compass, let's make a measure UN 4.6 cm. Okay, and make a arc here and connect this line to point F. This is our 4.6 cm. Okay, I hope you understand it. Okay, let's look the exercise second and exercise 4. It is homework for you. Complete this exercise and send on our WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you.